Vivo V40 series has been launched in India along with Vivo TWS 3E. The Vivo V40 series arrives as a succession to the Vivo V30 from the earlier this year. Check out the complete prices and specifications here. We'll start with the Vivo V40 series and TWS 3E to follow. And yes, we give you the first look of these two smartphones. So before starting, let me tell you what's new on the Vivo V40 series. First, we get the same 6.7 inches screen size and the resolution is Full HD+. So the screen viewing experience should remain the same. The vanilla Vivo V40 retains the same Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset as the Vivo V30. Well, the Vivo V40 Pro gets a powerful MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus compared to the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 on the Vivo V30 Pro. The battery department seems a sizable upgrade as there is 5500 mAh battery on both the Vivo V40 and the V40 Pro as compared to the 5000 mAh capacity. The charging speed remains the same at 80 watts. The camera setup is unchanged at 50 megapixel plus 50 megapixel on the Vivo V40 and 50 megapixel triple cameras on the V40 Pro. We get a 50 megapixel selfie shooter on both the models like the V30 series. Well, talking about the display specification, the Vivo V40 and V40 Pro are almost the same screen size, 6.78 inches with AMOLED display and 2800 to 1260 pixel of resolution. It has 120 Hz of refresh rate with 4500 nits peak brightness. And yes, it's 93% screen to body ratio. Like I told you, it works on Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 for Vivo V40 and runs Android 14 based FunTouch OS with custom skin out of the box. The phone comes in three configurations: 8GB 128, 8GB 256 and 12GB 512. And the battery 5500 mAh with 80 watts of fast charging. Moving on to the V40 cameras, it comes with 50 megapixel ZEISS primary camera with OIS and f1.88 aperture. This comes with smart aura light and the 50 megapixel wide angle lens. The 50 megapixel front camera is for selfies. Also, the connectivity option is the usual. Well, moving on to the cost, well, the Vivo V40 is priced at 34,999 for 8GB 128, 36,999 for 8GB 256 and rupees 41,999 for 12GB 512 version. The Vivo V40 Pro specification, well, as we told you, it's almost the same for the display. And yes, the powerful processor here is MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus. It's paired with 8GB 256 model and 12GB 512 storage for another model. Runs on Android 14 based FunTouch OS, custom skin out of the box. This one also has a ZEISS powered 50 megapixel primary Sony IMX921 sensor camera with smart aura light, 50 megapixel ZEISS wide angle lens and a 50 megapixel AF Sony IMX806 telephoto portrait camera with 2x optical zoom and 50x digital zoom. The battery again is the same as 5500 mAh and 80 watts of fast charging. Moving on to the price, the Vivo V40 Pro is priced at 49,999 for 8GB 256 and 55,999 for 12GB 512 model. Well, now moving on to the TWS 3E. Yes, that's the TWS from Vivo with ANC and yes, up to 42 hours of total battery life and fast charging and IP54 rating. This comes with dual device pairing and much more. Talking about the price, the TWS 3 is priced at 1,899. It comes in two colors, dark indigo and bright white.